Hey there, this is Andy with Geniuslink, and today I want to talk to you about choice pages, a new feature that can potentially double your earnings while helping your audience quickly find their best deal. Simply put, a choice page is a landing page designed to promote products across multiple retailers, all through one link. With choice pages, you'll maximize revenue by giving your shoppers freedom of choice without cluttering your site or social media with extra links or disclosures. In this video, I'll cover some key benefits of choice pages, and then I'll share the data we've got on how they perform. So let's get started. Collecting links for the same product across different retailers can be a pain. You've got to scan through multiple storefronts where you're an affiliate and search up the product manually each time. But with choice page suggestions, we'll automatically check more than 80 retailers for a product match, so you don't have to. You can get started by pasting in an Amazon URL, or just type into this field to search for any Amazon product. A list of matching products from other stores will show. Just choose from the list of products and we'll provide the links. I'm already signed up for these programs, so they show as monetized, but here you can see instructions for how to monetize further. Logos for most stores are set automatically, but you can easily upload your own logos as needed. Formatting links in multiple affiliate dashboards can be time-intensive. You've got to transform your product link into an affiliate link manually each time. But with Geniuslink, you can drop standard product links into a choice page and will automatically convert them into affiliate links for you. Amazon links in your choice pages get the same industry-leading localization and affiliation that we provide for all Genius links. We'll boost your sales by ensuring that international visitors are automatically taken to the correct product in their regional Amazon store and with your correct affiliate ID attached. For other retailers, you can say goodbye to the tedious process of building special affiliate links for each brand you work with. Once you connect your affiliate programs to your Geniuslink account, you can grab product links from anywhere, and we'll make sure they're perfectly formatted to earn your commissions. Geniuslink has built-in support for most major retailers and supports tens of thousands more if you connect your skim links or sovereign commerce account. Let's talk customization. Most of the content on a choice page is set for you automatically, so you can build a gorgeous landing page in seconds. But customization is a breeze. You can optionally place your own logo at the top of the page to reinforce your brand and help your audience feel right at home. Your title will be set automatically when you link to an Amazon product, but you can edit or replace it, just like with our default call to action text. Let us pick the images for your product and store buttons instantly, or upload your own. Customizing is a snap, thanks to our built-in theme picker and sortable buttons. And once you've settled on your preferred design, you can save all your style and logo settings as your new defaults for next time. As an affiliate, staying compliant with programs and government rules can be both stressful and annoying. Typically, there are restrictions for where and how you can share your affiliate links across the web, particularly for the Amazon Associates program. Amazon affiliate links can only be published in approved places, and they require additional disclosures when you're using a link shortener like Geniuslink. But choice pages take those concerns away completely. Each choice page includes all necessary disclosures required by the FTC and programs like Amazon, so you don't need to worry about it. And because each choice page constitutes its own landing page, choice page links can be safely used where standard affiliate links would be prohibited by Amazon Associate guidelines, such as in emails and printed material. So now that I've covered some of the benefits, you might be wondering, how well have choice pages performed for real affiliates? Well, we did the math. Working closely with some of our top clients, we split their YouTube affiliate traffic using A/B tests over 2 months. We saw that on average, the earnings per click more than doubled for choice pages compared to direct to Amazon links. And the biggest surprise was that while our clients gained new revenue from having more purchase options, they also significantly increased commissions from their Amazon links. To see these results yourself, check out the link in the description below. Right about now, you may be asking yourself, Hold on, don't extra clicks cause friction and reduce sales? Well, not quite. Research shows that 78% of shoppers do some comparison shopping before buying. Choice pages actually reduce this friction by giving your audience a head start, and the results speak for themselves. You see, the choice effect is about giving shoppers the choices they need before they ask, launching them towards a successful purchase. Alright, so in this video I've covered how choice pages can dramatically boost your earnings, save time, and give your audience the choice they need to make faster purchasing decisions. I hope this helped you get a better understanding of what a difference choice pages can make. And if you haven't already, I encourage you to build your first choice page today to see what kind of a difference it can make for you. Thanks for watching.